Hello, fifth years. By now you should have listened to or participated in the live lesson on images. I hope the whiteboards worked, and I hope that we had some fun. What I'd like you to do today is to first of all check your answers from the sentence structure questions, then complete the table evaluating your progress. Now, I'll just give you a brief explanation of what images are. So an image is a word picture that is used to persuade sometimes. In the close reading passage, the writer may have used an image to get a point across. So what we have to do first of all is identify the image. Now be careful, some images in English are almost invisible because you've seen them time and time again. So the first thing is to identify them. Something like prices have rocketed. That's actually an image. And explain how it's effective. So let's take that example. Imagine I don't understand. So I'm basically, it's a whole piece about the economy and how everything's more expensive and how terrible it is now the government are not doing enough. And I'm talking about, I don't know, something like prices of fossil fuels have rocketed. First of all, identify it and imagine you didn't understand that image. You would create a table with real and imagined on it, and you think to yourself, prices of fossil fuels have rocketed. There are no rockets really in this thing, so it's got to be the fossil fuels are the real, and the rocket, or the price of them, and the rocket is the imagined. Then what I'd like you to do is look at the imagined and think to yourself, right, what can I say about rockets? Rockets, they're aerodynamic, they go up really quickly. They cost a lot of money, made by NASA. These are the things that come to my head. And I've got the price of these fossil fuels. Now, the next step is, how can I connect those two? Right, rockets are aerodynamic. Doesn't really match with the price. I can't use that. Oh, let me think. Rockets are, they go up, but they go up. I can link that because the prices have gone up. Oh, rockets are very quick. I can link up with the speed of the price increase. See what I've done? So once I've got a few examples that work for both of them, those are the ones I want to focus on. Forget about rockets being aerodynamic. I can't link that to the price, but I can link the speed to the price. So then you just explain it. You explain how they are linked using the phrase that if you learn it, it'll be easier for you to use. Using that phrase, you link the two, and then it really does depend on how many marks. If it's a 4-mark question, you're probably going to have to come up with 3 reasons why rockets and price of fossil fuels are linked. And then for the 4th-mark question, you've got to explain how effective it is. How does that rocket help with the writer's argument? Well, the writer's argument may be there's an unrealistic surge in prices that is going up and up and up and is absolutely unstoppable. And therefore, you have to explain that image is effective because it kind of summarizes all those points. So keep an eye on the number of marks. Will tell you how many links between the real and the imagined you have to make. Hopefully, this will make more sense when in the live lesson where I can draw pictures to sort of outline how my brain works visually when it comes to images that I don't understand. Obviously, sometimes you get an image that you completely understand, like I don't want to burst your bubble. You understand that bubble is that is a phrase common, so you wouldn't have to draw the two of that because you just understand it. But this is only for images that you struggle to begin to connect with the reel or see how they fit in the passage. Okay, thanks folks. See you soon. Bye.